Is it just Harry Potter here, or there are other stuff? Just Harry Potter.
Is this your first time there?
Yes.
Oh, alright.
I've actually never been here before. Not even.
Warner Brothers studio.
Alright.
We're here in London, UK.
London, UK.
Yeah.
It's
Located in Watford, actually.
Is this your first time in this studio?
Oh, this is my second time.
Second time, and this is my first time.
This
your
is my first time.
Your first time. Alright. Looks nice, huh?
Now, from Amsterdam, and the rest of the UK friends.
Wow. Lovely.
We wish you were here, Jason and JM.
Yeah, oo nga eh. Jason and JM. Well, next time. Or they can just watch these videos in my YouTube channel.
Okay, correct.
Please don't skip the ads.
Correct.
That's
subscribe,
how it subscribe,
like,
yeah,
and click the notification bell.
Excited. Please comment below for any suggestions, you know. Welcome to Harry Potter Studio, Warner Studio for Harry Potter. So I'm here with my friends. It's my first time, and some of my friends, this is their second time. Tapos yung iba, first time din. So medyo excited. It's a museum of Harry Potter. It's really nice. You can see there, look at that. There's a dragon. See the dragon? Oh, so cool.
Just gets a chance to just be a kid again, which is what everyone really wants to do, really.
My favourite Harry Potter prop has got to be the Deluminator that Dumbledore leaves Ron. I just think it's awesome. Like the effect that they have when the little ball of light comes out the top, I just think that's wicked. It looks amazing on screen.
My favourite animal is the big spider.
My favourite creature in the Harry Potter films would be the basilisk. I'm a big fan of snakes, and a giant one, that scares me.
My mum made me this sweater in the style of the Weasleys making Harry his first Christmas present, and it took a really long time to make.
I think everyone has to love the House of Gryffindor, really. That's where Harry is first in Hermione. Everyone else.
On behalf of the entire team, we'd like to welcome you to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London and share a few tips to ensure the best possible experience for everyone. First, please take
the largest. The Great Hall stood for more than 10 years in Soundstage B, just to my right, and then it was brought here, these high precious bees for their tour purposes. And everything here is now ready for filming, just like it was during production. So take your cameras out and take as many photos as you would like. I'll give you just a moment to explore, and we'll meet shortly just by the fireplace. Now, I know you've been here just for a matter of moments, but I am sure that you couldn't help but notice all the details that you never saw on screen. One quite major detail is missing though. So if you do look up, you'll notice we do not have a Great Hall ceiling. Remember, the Great Hall ceiling was enchanted with stars and clouds and moons, but it would really be difficult to get them here for real. So that was CGI, that was computer magic. Now, the ceiling might not be completely real, but how about the floor? Give the floor a nice stamp for me, please. Lovely, thank you. Loudest of the day. That is real York flagstone, just like you would find in a real castle. Filmmakers noticed very early that this floor was going to take a lot of wear and tear, and using real stone was the one and only way to make it last. And it survived all the biggest seasons of the series, including the lovely sorting ceremony. So we cannot be in the Great Hall without talking about our 4 Hogwarts houses. So if you take who was Harry Potter when he was only 11 years old, we've got the original style of Gryffindor tie and the teeny tiny wizard hat. Now, just like Harry, Ron and Hermione did, you have walked through those same doors, down to the centre theatre aisle and now up towards the teachers' table, where they would be sorted into their Hogwarts houses. And I think it's time to reveal the very first secret of the day. This specific costume over here actually never belonged to Robbie Coltrane. It belonged to Martin Bayfield, his body double, who is 6'10". He used to play rugby for England as well, and even 6'10" wasn't enough. So they added steel sunny shoes, padded out the costume, and then added this animatronic head that resembled Robbie's face, so that Martin could occasionally play the harp.
Nakita ito lang.
I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy. I think I'm slowly, I think I'm crazy. Well, I think it's crazy.
So guys, I hope you like the tour. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung tour ng Harry Potter Studios, kung saan paano nila ginagawa yung movie, yung mga sets na ginamit nila, yung mga props. Talaga nakaka-amaze, ang ganda. Una sa lahat, maganda na yung movie quality, kaya makikita mo talaga yung mga ginamit nila sa movie, sa pelikula. Hindi lang pambata, mag-enjoy din kahit tayong mga hindi na masyadong kabataan. So if you have some more suggestions about this kind of travel, comment below lang, and don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. Kung talagang fan ka ng Harry Potter, napanood mo yung movie series nila, talagang mag-enjoy ka sa trip na to. Kaya masasabi ko sa inyo na puntahan nyo. Anyway, papunta na kami sa parking. Tapos namin, dumating ka dito mga 12. Ngayon ang oras na 4 PM. So 12:30, 4 PM. So about right. You need about 2 hours and a half or 3 kung medyo nag-enjoy talaga kayo sobra sa mga studio sets. Tatagal ka, ang daming pictures na magagawa ninyo, pwede videos. Sulit. I think nabayad kami like 40 pounds. Tapos pero yung experience na makukuha mo, na makikita mo rito, lalo na kapag Harry Potter fan ka, sulit yon. Kaya suggest punta kayo rito. Medyo malayo lang from Central London. I think mga 1 oras by driving, pero pag bus o train siguro mga 2 hours. So allocate ng time. Ang problema pa dito kasi maliit lang yung place, hindi ganun kalakihan, so hindi niya, because of the pandemic, hindi niya kayang accommodate lahat ng mga visitors. So kailangan mo magpa-schedule in advance. Minsan nahirapan pa kumuha ng mga schedule dahil hindi pwede puno-puno yung area, hindi katulad noon dati. So
Mga biyaheros?
Oo, mga biyaheros natin na pag nandito sila sa UK, wag nilang kakaligtaan puntahan itong Harry Potter, lalo na pag fan ka ng Harry Potter.
Exactly.
Right? Magdala na rin kayo ng mga extra money kasi ang daming souvenirs na pwede nyong bilhin. Medyo makamahalan pero magaganda siya. Kaya guys, join us on our next trip. Alright? Bye!